नॉमेनक्लेचर ऑफ कार्बन कंपाउंड्स। तो कंपाउंड्स का नॉमेनक्लेचर क्यों जरूरी है? क्यों जरूरी है इनको नाम देना? आपकी क्लास में अलग अलग स्टूडेंट्स के नाम अलग अलग क्यों हैं? सबको एक ही नाम से क्यों नहीं बुलाते? अगर सबका नाम एक ही रख देंगे, जैसे बूझो, तो अगर आपकी टीचर बूझो नाम बोलेगी तो सारे बच्चे एक साथ आ जाएंगे, जबकि फेस तो डिफरेंट डिफरेंट है सबका। तो इस एम्बिग्युइटी को रिमूव करने के लिए द नॉमेनक्लेचर ऑफ कार्बन कंपाउंड्स वाज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड। The names of compounds in a homologous series are based on the name of the basic carbon chain modified by a prefix or suffix. So what is prefix? Pre means before, so it is a phrase before. And what is suffix? Suffix is a phrase after. For example, the functional group of alcohol is all. One carbon compound alcohol is known as methanol. Meth because meth refers to an organic compound with one atom of carbon, and eth refers to a compound with a chain of 2 atoms of carbon. Prop refers to an organic compound with a chain of 3 atoms of carbon. But refers to an organic compound with a chain of 4 atoms of carbon. So one carbon compound alcohol is known as meth plus all methanol. 2 carbon compound alcohol is known as eth plus all means ethanol. 3 carbon compound alcohol is known as prop plus all means propanol. 4 carbon compound alcohol is known as but plus all means butanol. So in methanol, ethanol, propanol or butanol, the functional group is alcohol means OH. So the naming of carbon compounds can be done by the following method. First, identify the number of carbon atoms in a compound. जैसे ये एक compound है, इसमें हम देखेंगे carbon atoms के number कितने हैं. So can you tell us how many carbon atoms are here in this compound? 3. So the name is propane. But if a compound is having 4 carbon atoms, then what will be its name? Butane. Can you see any functional group in propane or butane? No. In case if a functional group is present, that means प्रोपेन से एक हाइड्रोजन हटाकर अगर हम OH लगा दें तो ये हो जाएगा इस कंपाउंड का फंक्शनल ग्रुप. सो OH इज अ फंक्शनल ग्रुप. अब इस फंक्शनल ग्रुप का नाम भी इस कंपाउंड के साथ ऐड होना चाहिए. तो फंक्शनल ग्रुप को हम प्रीफिक्स की तरह यूज करें या सफिक्स की तरह यूज करें? So functional group can be used as either a prefix or a suffix. If the name of the functional group is to be given as a suffix and the suffix of the functional group begins with a vowel A-E-I-O-U, then the name of the carbon chain is modified by deleting the final E and adding the appropriate suffix. Like, for example, a 3 carbon chain with a ketone group would be named as propanon. But how? Because in this propanon, propane means 3 carbon compound and ONE 1 means ketone. तो प्रोपेन का E हट गया और ONE इसमें ऐड हो गया. तो अगर किसी भी कंपाउंड के नेम के आगे वॉवेल आ रहा है, चाहे A हो, E हो, I हो या O हो या फिर U हो, तो उसको हटा के ONE लग जाता है. इसलिए इसका नाम रखा गया है प्रोपेनॉन. Likewise, if we see this compound, how many carbons are here? 3 carbons. So it is a propane. Propane means 3 carbon. So propane plus oic acid. Oic acid is the suffix. So propane का E हटा के हमने oic ऐड कर दिया. So it is propanoic acid. So how many carbon atoms are there in this compound? 4. So it is butane. But here functional group is also attached. The functional group is oic acid. So butane plus oic acid means butanoic acid. E is removed and oic is added. Now tell how many carbon atoms are here in this compound? 4. That means it is butane. And what is the functional group? Functional group is OH, means alcohol. So the suffix is -ol. So butane plus -ol means butanol. So E remove करके OL add हो गया. Let's go for another compound. So how many carbon atoms are here in this compound? 3. So it is propane. But the functional group is aldehyde here and its suffix is written as Al. So propane plus Al, it becomes propanol. So E is removed and propanol will be the name. Now again in this compound, how many carbon atoms are here? 4. So it is butane. Now again aldehyde group is here. So because of aldehyde functional group, we will add Al in butane. So E is removed and butanol will be the name. If we come to the next compound, how many carbon atoms are here in this compound? Yes, 4. So it is butane. What is the functional group in this compound? Yes, ketone. So for ketone functional groups compounds, we use ONE suffix. So butane's E is removed and ONE will be added. So it will be butanon. But sometimes the functional group is used as prefix. For example, can you see this compound? Yes, this has 3 carbon atoms. So it is propane and the functional group is chloro. So here the functional group chloro is the prefix. So the name is chloro plus propane. So it is chloropropane. E is not removed because functional group is used as prefix here. अगर फंक्शनल ग्रुप को एज अ सफिक्स यूज करेंगे तो ई रिमूव होगा, अदरवाइज ई रिमूव नहीं होगा. सो फंक्शनल ग्रुप कैन बी यूज्ड एज प्रीफिक्स ऑल्सो एंड सफिक्स ऑल्सो. अभी अभी हमने देखा है कि अल्कोहल इज यूज्ड एज सफिक्स, एल्डिहाइड फंक्शनल ग्रुप इज यूज्ड एज सफिक्स, कीटोन इज ऑल्सो यूज्ड एज सफिक्स, कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड इज ऑल्सो यूज्ड एज सफिक्स. तो एक और एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं प्रीफिक्स वाले नॉमेनक्लेचर का. सो हियर कार्बन एटम्स आर 3, so it is propane and the functional group is Br, means bromo. So bromo is used as a prefix here. So bromo plus propane means the name is bromopropane. E is not removed and bromo is used as prefix. अभी तक जितने भी कार्बन कंपाउंड्स हमने देखे हैं, they all are saturated. Saturated compounds means single bond compounds. अब हम देखेंगे unsaturated compounds, means double bond or triple bond compounds. If the carbon compound is unsaturated, then the final ane in the name of the carbon compound is substituted by ene or YNE ine. For example, if we see this carbon compound, it has 3 carbons and it has double bond. So it is not called as propane. It is called as propene. So ane is substituted by ENE, means ene. If we see this compound, this is also having 3 carbons, so it is propane. But it is having triple bond also, so it is called propyne. So YNE means ine is substituted in the place of ane. ANE means ane is substituted by YNE means ine. चलो और एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं. So this is an unsaturated compound of carbon. How many carbon atoms are here? 4. So it is butane. But this compound is having double bond also. So its name is butene because ANE is replaced by ENE, means ane is replaced by ene. So it is called as butene. In this compound we have 5 carbon atoms. So it is called as pentane. But it is having double bond also. So the suffix ene will be added in the name of this compound. So ane is replaced by ene. So it is called as pentene. Let's see some other example of alkynes. So in this compound we have 4 carbon atoms. So it is butane. But it is having triple bond also. So in butane, ane is replaced by ine. So it is called as butyne. In this compound, 5 carbon atoms are present. So it is called as pentane. But it is having triple bond also. So ane will be replaced by ine. So it is called pentyne.